Hi everyone, welcome back to another live trading series. It is Monday, November 16th. Shout out to my neighbor doing construction still. It's been like 6 years. It is a gloomy Monday. It is lunchtime and I'm going to be doing some trades. I have open here a few ideas I had planned yesterday that are what I want to do. So what I'm going to do for sure is roll Workhorse, APHA, and Canopy. And then I might be doing Tesla Strangles. I might be doing Spotify. Might be doing a naked call on Square and some cash secured puts on Space. Why I brought up Space, if I find it here, I like selling cash. Well, everybody likes selling cash secured puts when there's a big red day for a stock, and apparently Virgin Galactic delayed their launch, or they delayed some testing. So if you take a look, it is down 10%. So it might be a good opportunity for some juicy premiums. For APHA, I'm currently in the money. APHA and Canopy expire on Friday. So everything, shout out to my neighbor, everything expiring November 20th, I should probably roll. So here, I only have a few November 20th. So APHA 10, and then Canopy. So Canopy, huge losses here. APHA, you could see, even though I'm in the money, I sold it such a long time ago, 30 days ago. I'm still making money on it. So sold it for 90 cents a contract, 10 contracts. Now it's 64. So I'm going to be doing the rolling that I learned. You click on custom. You go, so this is a call. So add a call. Great. So I'm going to buy back these 10. So November 20th, I'm going to buy back these exact ones. You have to, so November 20th, 7. So this is what I'm buying back, and I'll be selling, let's say, do I do December? Ooh, that'll be a loss. So if I sell December, take a look at this. I'm selling the same strike 30 days out. It's still in the money. I'll be making, let's say, the midpoint. I can, oh man. Could I do, look at the spread. The spread is pretty big. 25. Let's see, what would happen if I go January? How much else would I make? Yeah, I could probably double if I go to January. Let's see what happens. Let's roll the dice on this. I'm going to roll it out 2 months. Same strike. Close the one for today, this Friday, and roll it out. So because I'm doing 10 contracts, this should be $500, $490. I hope this gets, why did it just go down? $500. Okay, let's try this out. Send order, hope it works. We're going to do the same thing on Canopy. Look, it got filled right away. Awesome. Guys, I just rolled an in the money call, 10 in the money calls for $500. Let's go here. I don't see any way I'll be making money on this. I want to see how many shares. Yeah, I probably have 100 shares. Okay, rolling. You click custom. You go add a call. Because I'm selling a covered call here and I'm rolling it, so that's obviously what you want to do. When you're rolling a covered call, you want to buy the one back you sold and you want to sell a new one. So what's good about options? Most of the time, if you sell a contract and you don't want to get assigned, you don't want that obligation anymore, you can buy it back and it closes. So when you buy one and you sell the exact same thing, it cancels out to zero, no more obligation. So November 20th, I sold the 25. Where is it? Canopy 25 call. I'll be selling, let's go January again. If I go 26, ooh. Look at this. I'm not even making any money. How weird. How weird is this? Do you see the variability on this? There's like, what is this, 55 cents in between to close it and to roll it. Weird. Let's see. Could I make like $100 on this? Man. Not sure if this is the best play. I'm making... I'm making $50 to roll it out 60 days. That's weird. I don't know, not the best play. I'm not sure what to do. Let me just close it. Wish for the best. I'm still making money, not a big deal. Not a big deal. Let's roll this. Okay. What else do I want to do? So order filled, very nice. You see close and open here. What I want to do is workhorse. You see, let me filter. I know this looks weird. Workhorse. It expires in 4 days, days to expiration. I'm up $375. You know, so I sold 5 contracts for $85. I can buy them back for 10. So what I want to do is roll this again, another 30 days, I guess. Let's do that. Let's go. I'm so happy I found this custom button. I didn't find it. Everyone was telling me I was doing it wrong. So since I sold a cash secured put, I clicked buy, add put. So I want to buy back the 5 I sold. So you have to do the exact same one to buy to close, buy back, and I'm going to sell 5 new ones. Let's go a month out. A month out 30. Should I go more than a month? So I'm going to stagger it a little bit. I'll do December 24th because I don't want everything, you know, I don't want everything coming to expiration on the same day. So let's do this. If we do 15 again, how much would I make? $1.05. So let's try to make a little more, $1.15. So I'm buying back at 15, I'm selling the exact same ones a month out. I'll be making $575, hopefully. Let's click on that. I wonder if it'll get filled right away. Amazing. Look at this, guys. This is all working out. Oh, it looks like it's looking like a short video today. What else do I have planned? So this all done. Can I color it red for done? Space, cash secured put, Square, Tesla, Spotify, geez. Let's take a look at all of my positions. Air Canada, you know, nothing to close here. Not going to close this. AMD Strangle. Can't close it. You know, none of these are looking good. Let's roll this one as well. Why not? Light speed. Custom. Add a put. Add a put. So I'm going to buy back the 44, is it? 44 put. And I'm going to sell further out. Let's go December. December? Yeah. Let's see what the 44 put can make me. Not enough. 46. So let us do this. Closing and rolling, $124. This is nothing. That's not that much. This is not that much. Let's do that. Okay. What else can we do? I wanted to do Tesla. You know what? Should I close this Tesla? What should I do? I might cut this part out. I'm just thinking aloud. The lighting sucks. I'm sorry, guys. I'm already up 50% on each of these. You know what? I'm going to save my Tesla Strangles for, let's say, next week. If you go by strategy, Tesla Strangle. I'm going to leave it out just so I have some content for next week. I think I'll leave it just for another day. This seemed like a good enough video here. What else can I do? Okay, I'm going to take a look at a few items. Space, Virgin Galactic. I don't know why I call this space. So if I sell cash secured puts, let's see the IV. Because it's down, a big down day, you can probably make some decent money. So what is this? 18s? That's too close, right? If I sell 16s, what is the return on 17? Let me just do some quick math. Plus 0.5 divided by 17 times 100. Almost 3%. Let's take a look at this. If I sell a cash secured put for 50 cents a contract, 50 cents a share, so I guess $5 a contract. My return will be 3%. Let's sell 2. Why not? Why not? Because we're here. Let's do 3.5. My obligation would be 17 times 300. Is that 5,100 US? Not bad. Let's sell. Making $150. This is not a lot of money. I should be selling bigger. I don't know. Let's do it. 17, guys. I want to see Spotify. Spotify currently losing money. Let's see what I have. I sold a 240 put for December. Spotify keeps going down. And now I'm, sold it for $440. I'd have to buy it back for $1,000. Let's see. Do I save this for another video? Do I do it now? December 18th. If I sell December 18th, I could sell down $20 than what I currently have for around the same amount. Do I do that? 220? Let's do it. Spotify. Let's go $4. I will be selling one Spotify contract, December 18th, 220. Strike for $400. Let's sell. We get called away. The reason why I'm doing this, you see here, Spotify, it's down around 2%, 1.9% here. So you want to sell cash secured put on red days. Last item. What am I doing? So I did this. Last item, what am I going to do? Square. Should I do a naked call on Square? I want to do something far out, dude. 20% above what it's currently trading at, so the delta. Let's take a look here. So if we look at 60 days out, it's almost exactly 60 days. If I sell at the 220 strike, is this worth it? Let's sell some naked calls. Why not? Let's sell some naked calls. 2.6. Let's go 2.6. Naked calls. 2 naked calls. $528 US. I'll have my Tesla strangles for next week. Amazing. So I did this. What I want to do is just see how much. You always have to keep track. Ooh, look at this. I'm negative. I'll have to close some out. I'm going to have to do some managing. Look at this, my Spotify. I'm already losing $30 here. No big deal. So these are all my positions. Once these zeros go away, it'll be kind of cleaned up. I know I said I was going to update this, but I haven't. I promise I will update this so everyone has a clear picture of what I'm doing. I'm going to update my spreadsheet of what I have. I'll show it to you next video. The next video, it might be Friday, it might be next Monday. I'm going to be managing my Bank of America strangle, hopefully closing some out so I have more margin room, and I'm going to be selling Tesla strangles for January 2021. Tune into that video. Thanks for watching this one. See you next time, guys.